I would like to introduce what technology is making this stone, mainly making this stone, and we can make a plastic alternative like cup and film. These Disney stores in Japan, they use the shopping bag and paper alternative. This is the book mainly made from stone. So I will share my presentation. Oh. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
Okay. So what problem we can solve is plastic problem and paper problem, which cause environmental problem. As you know, plastic production will grow very rapidly due to population growth, and it will cause plastic problem in ocean and also climate change. And also plastic come from oil, still Middle East, America, Russia, Africa, and many countries have to buy the resource from outside. We don't have a resource. And paper mill, they consume a lot of water. So this water crisis is one of the big problem in the world. So how we can change? If we can make plastic and paper from the stone, it can be save the world, we believe. And we developed the LIMEX. This is mainly from limestone. It can be paper and plastic alternative. And there is 3 points of LIMEX. First, it's mainly made from limestone. So it is not only economical, but also not only ecological, but also economical because it is abundant all over the world and the price is also cheap, usually used for construction of building and road. And second one, we can save the resource like water and petroleum-based resin, oil. And third one, we can save the environment because we can reduce CO2 emission as plastic alternative. And also LIMEX is recyclable, so we can make circular economy. So this is our competitive advantage. First is cost. As you know, many environmental plastic like biomass or biodegradable, their price is higher than common plastic, but we can offer the same price. And also compared to oil, limestone, the price is very stable. And another advantage is CO2 emission. To make plastic, people from oil, they do fraction and polymerization, consume a lot of electricity. It emits a lot of CO2. But LIMEX, the main material, we only mining and crushing. So material itself have big differences. So what is our technology? We make, this is our product, LIMEX pellet and LIMEX sheets. And our technology is here. We mix limestone powder and binder resin. Then we have two kind of products. And this LIMEX pellet, customer can use their existing plastic molding machine and they can make LIMEX products. So no new investment is required. And LIMEX sheets also printing like Canon, Ricoh, Xerox, customer can use. And we have a patent submitted over 40 countries. And this is some examples as paper alternative from packaging to poster. And this is plastic alternative from dairy products and packaging, rigid packaging and flexible packaging. And LIMEX also recyclable. For example, in Japan, big convenience store collect their menu book and shopping bag, and they recycle to food tray used in the shop. And also a World Cup, the LIMEX banner they use, and they collect and recycle to the products.